Let's be honest, managing social media can feel like a full-time job. Trying to come up with fresh ideas, writing posts, graphics, scheduling content across multiple platforms, it can be a lot. With SocialTale, you can instantly create high-quality, engaging posts with AI-powered tools. You can find trending content that's already getting likes, shares, and engagement. You'll be able to generate stunning images in a second, schedule and automate your entire content calendar effortlessly, and collaborate with your team and keep everyone organized. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So first off, you're going to connect each of your social accounts, everything from your Facebook page to Instagram to Mastodon, YouTube, Pinterest, your LinkedIn profile, your page, TikTok, and X. And we continue to add more as the platform evolves. Now I'm going to switch over to an account that has some social media accounts connected, and you can see each of the ones that are connected up at the top. And this is your dashboard where you're going to be able to see all of your engagement so far. So you can see post engagements as well as post impressions, and you can do that on a per social account basis. So you don't have to go back into each social account. You can see it right from here. Now this is a brand new account. So I just connected these accounts a few days ago, but as you can see, it's starting to populate that data now. And so to get started and to start creating posts, I'm going to go ahead and just click on create new post. And from here, I'm able to start to either write my post, or you can start to utilize some of the AI tools that we have available. And so what's really cool is I can click on create with AI, and you get two different options. One being the predefined prompt, which will allow you to specify your industry. And so for this specific business, this is called BuilderPad. It's a construction management app. And so I'm just going to put in construction, and it has over 100 different predefined prompts that I can start to use. And so I can either click here to randomize it if I wanted to, or I can select from one of the categories. So do I want an engagement booster? Do I want a post about that positions me as an authority or a thought leader? Or do I want storytelling or brand building, something that's sales and promotional? I'm just going to go with that one. And then we have all these different prompts. And so these prompts are proven, researched types of posts that drive engagement. So things like, why would this matter? What if you could? The cost of doing nothing. So just for this example, I'm going to say the cost of doing nothing. And it will create a custom prompt, and it'll say showcase what happens if your audience doesn't take action. And you can tweak this if you wanted to. So I could say showcase what happens if, home builders doesn't take action and settle for outdated software solutions. And I can specify the tone. Do I want it to be neutral, friendly, formal, edgy? I'm going to go with edgy. And then you can say what the max length should be, the number of words. And I'm going to click on generate, and the AI is going to go ahead and create a post for me. So I could either insert this, or I could retry and have it create something else. And so I'm going to click on insert. And it says, if home builders stick with outdated software solutions, they risk falling behind competitors who are using advanced technology. This can lead to inefficiencies with construction timelines, higher costs. And so you can see it did all of the heavy lifting for me. Now, if I wanted to dress this up a little bit more, I could add media. I could also say, you know what, I want to rephrase this, or I want to expand on it, or shorten it, or simplify, or change to a friendly tone. So once you've actually created it, you have all these different tools that will help to kind of refine it. And so you can kind of work with the AI until you have something that you like. And so what I could also do is go in and add some media. And so if I've, as you can see, this is all the media that I've uploaded, or I can go in here and I could say like builder, go into stock media, or I could do a GIF, construction, try to find something funny, and so maybe it's just like, this girl like hitting, the hammer to the wall, or I could even generate an image. So I could say, home builder, angry on the job site, and click on generate, and it's going to go and it's going to create a custom AI generated image that's going to look great, and that will be custom tailored for this post. So it's going to give me actually 4 different options that I can select from. If I wanted to, I could generate another one, or I could choose like this one, like this guy here, insert. And so now I have a post ready to roll with an image that's hyper relevant. I'm just going to go ahead and do this. Now, something else I can do, which is really cool, is if I wanted to add some hashtags. So as you guys know, to get better visibility within each of the social platforms, hashtags are important. So I can click on hashtags. So right now it says I don't have any hashtags yet. So I can create a group. And I can say this is like my main hashtag hash group. And I'm going to say like, so this is the name of the company. I could do construction. I could say like home builders and like software, whatever tags you want. I'm going to save that. And so now whenever I want to, I can just click on insert and it's going to add those hashtags for me. So I don't have to manually be typing my hashtags one by one. I can just have a group of them and insert them right away. And so now that I have my post ready to roll, I could either post it right now. I could select which social media platforms it should be added to. Now, one thing that it will do is it will give you an alert if the post is not able to be posted because of certain restrictions. So like with X, they allow a maximum of 280 characters. So you'd want to go in and you'd want to tweak that. So you can see each of these different previews. So here's the preview for Facebook. Here's the preview for Instagram, for LinkedIn, for X. And so what I can do is I could actually create different variations. So say, you know what, I need to create a variation for Twitter. And so I could say, I could start to edit this. Okay, so now it's within the 280 character limit. And so also here, YouTube does not support images. So what I would need to do is go click here, click on YouTube. And so now I could remove that and I could go in and I could upload my media. If I have a video, I can go ahead and upload that. And so now you can see I'm able to configure and queue up these posts for each social media platform. And it's all compliant with what they allow and what they don't allow. And so when I'm ready, now I can just click on either post now, I could add it to my queue, or I could pick a specific time. So I could say, I want this to go out on Thursday at 2 p.m. and I can schedule that. So now it's been scheduled. You can see here's the content, the media, which accounts that it's been added to. And now what's really cool is if I want, I can go into posting schedule. And so now this posting schedule, if I don't want to have to worry about making sure that like I'm not interfering with other people's posts, so especially if you are collaborating with other users and you don't want to be scheduling posts on top of each other, you want to space them out, you can create a posting schedule for this particular account. And I could say, I want to post every day. And so Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And if I want to turn on like Friday, maybe I want to turn off Saturday, or I want to not do Sundays at 10:30. Or if I wanted to add one, let's just say Wednesday at 8 or 9:30, it just added it to the schedule. I can update my posting times. And so now when I go to create a new post, I can click on add to queue. And it's just going to add it into the queue and it's going to drip it out according to my posting time. So I don't even need to worry about anymore having to, find times and not have, having conflicting posts that get dripped out at the same time. So the queue is a really nice feature. Now, also what's really cool is you can click on the calendar and you're able to see visually what is going on with your content creation calendar. So you can see each of the different posts, what platforms they're going to be going out on at what time. And it's just a really nice kind of bird's eye view. And I can click on it and see the actual post. And so this is a great way if you're managing a content calendar for your own business or possibly for clients, you're able to just see a quick snapshot of it right from here. And if I wanted to, I could go in and just start creating a new post right away. So very, very cool, guys, how you can connect all of your different social media platforms. You don't need to be, going back and forth and have to manually post it on Facebook and then Instagram and then TikTok. Everything can be done right from here. Now, also a nice strategy is to find what content is going viral, what are getting likes and shares, and then being able to leverage those topics and maybe even curate that content and give it your own spin and then be able to publish it on your own social channels. So we do have what's called our Engagement Explorer. So you can click on it and it will allow you to find trending topics and content that's out in Google, in TikTok, in Twitter, and all these other platforms to see what is going viral. So I could pick my country that I want to target, and then let's just say that I want to target home construction, I'm going to click on search, and it's going to go out. So now instead of having to open up new tabs or new browsers and doing searches to see what people are talking about, it's actually going out there and doing it itself. So you can see like it's pulling in YouTube videos. It'll show you this has almost 58 million views, inexpensive houses in 10 days, amazing side cliff home built in 10 minutes. So you can kind of see what is getting, what is getting viral, what's going viral and what's getting engagement. So you can see, and then you can also just click on insert, and it's going to insert that particular content. And if I wanted to, I could change this. I could, make it my own, but super cool, guys. You can see all this trending content, and it's just as simple as clicking insert, and you're able to pull in that content. So this is another really nice strategy, just to kind of, you could either use it just as a research tool, or you could even pull in that content and be able to add it into your different posts, which is really nice. So you have the Engagement Explorer, as well as all these AI tools with the predefined prompts. Or if you wanted to, I can go and create my own custom prompt. So let's just say I want to, we have a conference coming up. We are at booth, W4966. We will have a photo booth and be doing live demos of our software. Can you write a post that will encourage users to want to visit the booth? And we could say I want this to be engaging, and let's just say 500 words, and it's going to generate it. And so now created that post for me. Oops, let me just get rid of this. So join us at booth 4566 for an unforgettable experience at the conference. Step into our photo booth for fun snapshots and witness live demos of our cutting-edge software in action. Don't miss out on exciting demos and memorable moments. See you there. Adds in some hashtags. Going to let's just see if I have a. I want to go ahead and I have this little graphic here showing where the booth is, and good to go. Now I'm going to just add it to my queue. Oops, I got to pick which. And so maybe I have a couple different variations. So maybe I want to post this to Instagram. I'm going to make this a story. I'm going to add a variance. And I'm going to say, you know what, I want to remove that image. I'm going to use a different image that I have. I'm going to use this one. Oops, that was the same one. Let's go with this guy. Perfect. Done. So now you can see this one's going out on Facebook, this one's going out on Instagram, and then I could add it to the queue. This has been marked for Monday, March 10th at 3:30 p.m. So it's already there. I can view it in the calendar if I want to, and it's ready to go. So you can see, guys, how quickly the workflow happens with just being able to post, especially when you're managing multiple social media properties. And as you guys know, in order to maximize visibility, you want to be on all of these channels, and it can just be very difficult to do so when you're trying to do this from each social platform. Okay, so that's SocialTale. As you just saw, everything you need to create, schedule, and manage your social content is right here all in one place. There's no more juggling multiple tools, no staring at a blank screen trying to come up with ideas, and no more wasting time on manual posting. With SocialTale, you can streamline your entire social media workflow, save hours every week, and focus on what really matters, which is really growing your brand and engaging your audience. So whether you're a business owner or content creator or an agency managing multiple clients, SocialTale makes it easier than ever to stay consistent, post smarter, and drive real results.
In this video, I'm going to walk you through the complete breakdown of SocialTale. We'll start with the front end and then cover all 4 OTOs. I'll also touch on their all-in-one bundle option and let you know if they offer anything like a FastPass or MegaBundle. Let's dive right in. First up is the main SocialTale product, often called the front end. It's designed for anyone looking to streamline their social media management. You get unlimited post scheduling, AI-powered composing, analytics, and integrations with Canva, Unsplash, and more. There's an optional order bump that provides a vault of over 560 social content prompts for an extra one-time fee. Once you pick up the front end, you will see the first upgrade called SocialTale Ultra. It brings additional features like workspaces, engagement explorer, approval workflow, best post times, and webhooks. These tools are geared toward boosting efficiency, especially if you're handling multiple brands or need an approval process for your content. Should you skip Ultra, there's a separate downsell focusing specifically on Engagement Explorer. This piece unlocks viral content research, letting you easily find and repurpose top-performing posts and trends without the full Ultra package. Next is the OTO 2 called SocialTale AI Image Generator. This enables you to create original, eye-catching images right inside the platform. If you want to customize visuals quickly without jumping into external software, you might find this upgrade helpful. The third upgrade is SocialTale Reseller. This license allows you to sell SocialTale accounts to others. It's essentially a business in a box for those who want to provide social media tools to clients or colleagues. Finally, there's a fourth upgrade called Social Page Analyzer / Social Ad Creator. It's more of a desktop-based solution for digging into Facebook page data, comment analysis, interests, and generating page reports. It helps with competitive research and discovering audience insights. SocialTale also has an all-in-one bundle available for a single payment. It combines everything, the front end and all the OTOs, into one package. There isn't a FastPass bundle or a MegaBundle offered, so if you want it all, the all-in-one is where it's at. That's the full rundown. Hope this helps you decide which parts of SocialTale might fit your workflow best. Thanks for watching.